Hey, welcome back. Astuo, Buru. Thanks you all for watching. I appreciate it. Don't forget to subscribe, hit the like button, and leave your feedback in the comment box located at right below this screen. Shout out to my people from the east to the west. Shout out to my friends in Mexico, Brazil, Colombia, Venezuela, Ecuador, Peru, Puerto Rico, Cuba, and the other 49 states. Now, this video is how to reset the oil life in a 2021 Mini Countryman. In this case, you will see the trip button right behind the wheel. What we're gonna do is push the start button once, press the trip button for at least 10 seconds, then you will see a message saying reset possible. Then let go the trip button. Right there, press and hold the trip button for a few seconds till you see a reset message. Let the button go, then press and hold again for a few seconds. You will see a message saying reset in progress. Keep pressing and holding the trip button till you see the message reset successful. Now you can let it go. And that's how you reset the oil life in this 2021 Mini Countryman. Alright. On the other hand, I just want to say the 2021 Mini Countryman vehicle was designed to be handled only by certified service technicians, because they are the only ones with the computers to reset the service reminders for this vehicle. Believe it or not, I called the Mini dealership asking about how to reset the oil life late, and the service manager gave me the same steps that you use on a 2020 Mini Countryman model. So if these steps didn't work for you, then I want to keep you posted, because I want to know too how to do it. Alright, I just want to bring you this so you know what's going on. And well, I'll see you in the next one. Alright, thank you everybody. Don't forget to subscribe, hit the like button, and please leave your feedback in the comment box below. Alright, see you in the next one. Take care. Hala, Astu, Puru.